I just shaved my balls the other day.
Yeah, I do that too.
Don't you hate when it starts to grow back and it gets that little fucking
what I do is I take,
hairs?
I have a cooling gel for my face.
Yeah.
And I use that.
Good
On
stuff.
your balls? It's so bad, yeah. And it makes your balls breathe like they've never breathed before.
Dude,
fresh air. It's amazing.
If you shave your balls and then Axe makes this fucking, it's like called glacier shit,
That's
like
what
body
I
wash, when it's got the mint in it, dude. Holy fuck, dude. The first time I like shaved my nuts and I fucking washed myself afterwards, I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude? It's got menthol fucking, like menthol crystals in it. So they started fucking getting really cold, dude. And I was like, what the fuck, dude? What the fuck?
Yeah.
And I was like, holy shit. Like it was exhilarating, don't get me wrong, but
it just caught you off guard.
I was like, what the fuck is this, dude?
Is this supposed to happen? It's a great feeling.
Fresh Kid Z, Fresh Kid C, yes sir. Fresh Kid P, Fresh Kid T. Oh yeah, we back. Oh, and Zafoon, by the way. Yeah, Jones. Yeah. Chitty bang, and we pretty much amazing. Can we hear your new song, please? I got you. Hey yo, I once was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems, when I get it, I'ma pound it out. Now I'm dope, want the bread, we can toast. So fresh, how we flow, everybody get this down from us. Was a kid with the other little kids, now I'm ripping up shows and them fans going wild with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry, this life is a party. Remember you was a kid, reminisce days of the innocence. Now it's Chitty Bang, Google me the images. Follow me, I'm the leader. And when I park cars, I don't pay for the meter. I remember I was younger as a kid, it was the best. I used to touch on all the pretty girls in recess. I'm at my peak, yes, I won't leave yet. Cereal style, cereal aisle, I need checks. I can make these rappers run like a hard drill. Rap band, show you how the guitar feel. And I could care less how y'all feel. I got a flow to make a bitch do a cartwheel. This is that good, just pump it and relax, bro. And you can get it free, don't worry about the tax, though. And Zafoon, thank you for the crack, but I play around Burgundy, I anchor on the track. Hey, like I once was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems, when I get it, I'ma pound it out. Now I'm dope, want the bread, we can toast. So fresh, how we flow, everybody get this down from us. Once was a kid with the other little kids, now I'm ripping up shows and them fans going wild with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry, this life is a party. I'm never growing up. Can I please get a little bit of knowledge? Somebody tell Rolf that I don't love college, cause the real world's kinda like real world, and it's drama. So you are Svetlana and I'm just a rhymer, swimming in the water trying to dodge the piranha and fly to Bahamas. Pretty little mama, Chitty in the spot where you at, Pearl Lady, show me what you got. They say why you rapping for the kids for? I say my clothes come fitted, the lid store. This summer you can catch me on a big tour. I'm high grade, I think they need to quiz more. And let me get with you, don't let the kid hit you. I'm the photo album Valletta has, big picture. The rule is, the dude is so up, so chuck, I'm a cool kid. I once was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems, when I get it, I'ma pound it out. Now I'm dope, with the bread we can toast. So fresh, how we flow, everybody get this down from us. Once was a kid with the other little kids, now I'm ripping up shows and them fans going wild with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry, this life is a party. I'm never growing up. Was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems, when I get it, I'ma pound it out. Now I'm dope, with the bread we can toast. So fresh, how we flow, everybody get this down from us. Was a kid with the other little kids, now I'm ripping up shows and them fans going wild.
Yeah, original Chuck song, laced up like I'm taking them on a run. They begging me not to kill it, I tell them I'm having fun. They asking me how I do it, I tell them get on the wheel. Meaning get on the grind, I'm ready, now what's the deal? Hey, Sassy never skate on the surface like hovercraft. A superhero, you think that I was a thundercat? I run with villains, my village calling me son of Sam. Simply cause when I come around, they start to stuttering. My body tatted, they say I look like graffiti. That's why I be on the wall, but these regulars try to read me. The way that people be staring, you think that I was a team. me. And when it comes to the haters, I cannot see them like Stevie. But I be seeing repeats of dead rappers like 6 cents. My competition ain't worth nothing like 6 cents. Misfit, I swear I'm sick shit. You think I was running shit, but by the way, I'm with the kick flip. Too cool, handshakes and dash. Serving all of these fools like pancakes and snacks. Whoever thought that I wouldn't be damaging the tracks was pulling their own legs like hamstrings and calves.
Why and I only not only the great way. Body look like a canvas, skin is covered with tats. Rex are always a classic, look like I'm in the past. Turn the noise up, 100 words for running, turn the noise up. What I tell these people, turn the noise up. Transformer tatted on my arm like a Troy Jeff. Why and I only not only the great way. Anytime's my time, every day's grind time. No chain needed, I am just a star. Hell, turn the noise up. 100 words for running, turn the noise up. What I tell these people, turn the noise up. Rapper alive, hell.
I'm so beyond my time, the Michelangelo of the second millennium. I roll it up and get higher than condominiums. My raps braille the way the people be feeling them. Lyrics all the way to the other side of the meridian. Back that, ESC is in the spot now. We beat the crew, all of these fools try to jock now. Them type of dudes that'll make your mouth drop down. Faces looking twisted like the guzzle and Ciroc down. City slickers, the search of them bigger figures. This is more than the game, my business isn't a scrimmage. And I'll be with the sickest, cause I'm trying to be the illest. With them die-hard fans like Bruce Willis. Pow, pow. I'm in the cut like alcohol in the room, but I'm tripping like I popped Adderall on the moon. Focused on killing tracks like I'm rapping up from the tomb. Or repeated this instrumental, lighters up for the tunes. Every morning I wake up and put my fitted on, which means that every day I wake and put my city on. Cleveland, we ready, just turn the MIDI on. Kid Kale's feeling like a million. Go!
Why and I only not only the great way. Body look like a canvas, skin is covered with tats. Rex are always a classic, look like I'm in the past. Turn the noise up, 100 words for running, turn the noise up. What I tell these people, turn the noise up. Transformer tatted on my arm like a Troy Jeff. Why and I only not only the great way. Anytime's my time, every day's grind time. No chain needed, I am just a star. Hell, turn the noise up. 100 words for running, turn the noise up. What I tell these people, turn the noise up.